Here we are on FL Studio. Here you can see trial version 25.2. We are now in trial mode. In this left side, you got the browser panel where you can see some folders. So here you can see text folder. You can use the samples in your beats. These are free and this is good for if you're learning. These are good sound. And here is our mixer rack where we mix and master sounds in our songs. And then this is channel rack where we can add our new instrument plugins here. So the first of all, FL keys. Just use next plugin, flex. So you got free libraries here, so you can use all of this. So the next plugin is harmless. So when you open this pop-up is coming that you this is not included in your edition you are testing. So just okay and just go. So whenever you open some plugins, you get this message. So here is the presets. So again, when you change any presets, you got this pop up again and again whenever you're trying to change preset. Next plugin is Synthesis. This is working fine. So you can use every preset without any interruption in this plugin. You got this pop-up in some plugins, not every. So the Harmor got this pop-up. So this is not in every plugin. In some plugins you got this message. If you are learning, this is good for you to start learning is reduction or draw. So if this is not too much, you can avoid these things. So I'm showing you a little bit of producing. So you can use stock plugin and you can make your own beats with that without spending any money. I skipped some of these parts because I'm not showing you the whole tutorial now. So now let's trying to add some effects and see the effects is working correctly. Reverb is working fine without any pop-up and interruption, and use cookie limiter for just a little bit of compression. So you can use every effect plugin without any interruption. After complete your track, you just go to files and click save. Okay, then this is pop is coming. You can save this project, but you need to buy the studios to reopen this, so you cannot reopen your project without buying the studio. So this is the main thing you can do. You cannot open your project again. I hope you like the video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe the channel for more videos.